Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. So this is about me. I am a computer science gate faculty having more than 5 plus of teaching experience, mentored more than 50,000 students, taught in different coaching institute all over India. Okay, it's like the Gate Academy, even qualified multiple times Gate, and even I have given the coaching in many government colleges as well as in many private colleges. Like in SRM Chennai, I have given coaching. CAT Bhubaneswar, I have given. BC Bhagalpur, Jorhat College of Engineering, Guwahati University, Dibrugarh University, Government College of Engineering and Technology, Jammu, Ramgarh Engineering College. Okay, these are the colleges where I have went and I have given the coaching. वो आप चाहे तो यूज कर भी सकते हैं, नहीं भी यूज कर सकते. सो वी आर हैविंग वन थ्योरम. इफ यू वांट यू कैन यूज इट or you can leave it also. The theorem is saying that given two distinct regular languages L1 comma L2 belongs to any combination of sigma star with minimum pumping length minimum pumping length P1 comma P2 greater than equal to 1, and let P L1 union L2 is the minimum pumping length of 1 union L2, then L1 So it's saying that given two distinct regular languages L1 comma L2 belongs to any combination of sigma. So with minimum pumping length P1 comma P2 greater than equal to 1, and so for L1 the minimum pumping length is P1 and for L2 the minimum pumping length is P2, which is greater than equal to 1, then union of the minimum pumping length of L1 union L2, okay, then it is going to take maximum of P1 comma P2. Okay. L1 is distinct language and L2 is distinct language. That means these L1 and L2 are different language.